She's smoking so bad. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be diagnosing a low idle problem that I'm currently having with the Prelude, idling about 400 RPMs. It's not really healthy, so we're going to try and sort this out today. And also we're going to upgrade the aftermarket air intake with the KN pod filter, and also we're going to put some heat wrap tape through the whole intake system so we can get the most coldest air possible from outside straight into the engine. Okay guys, we're going to remove the air intake, and there's only two ways to remove it properly, is to remove this front bumper, or we'll take the front wheel off here, remove the wheel trim inside, and we'll get access to the pod filter inside the bumper there, and we should be able to remove the whole long air intake system. Well, I've got the plastic air intake exposed, as you can see right there. So from here we're going to unbolt it, and then we'll be able to remove the whole air intake. Look how rusted it is. Water's been getting inside, which is okay, but this is an unbrand pod filter, which wasn't a good idea to install. This is what I had at the time. And take the cover off. Oh yeah, I expected a lot better from myself, but you know, obviously I made a little bit of a mistake from mistrial and error. Please forgive me guys, I know you can't expect a little bit better from me, so yeah, this will be going in the bin. Well, we've got the intake off, and I can clearly see, when I look in the throttle body, it's pretty dirty in there. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's very filthy in there. See the butterfly? Pretty dirty. Alright guys, at this point I'm gonna get some throttle body cleaner, clean the throttle body, because we are having a slight low idle issue, and a dirty intake is one of the leading causes of it. Also, this guy right here, this guy's your IACV, which stands for your idle air control valve. That also could need to be cleaned, taken off and been cleaned, or replaced in some cases, but we'll get to that eventually. Let's see if we can diagnose the problem just by cleaning the throttle body first. Got some throttle body cleaner and a couple of rags. Now, I've never used either of these before, Newlon or CRC, but I'm guessing they both got to do exactly the same job. Throttle body cleaner will remove your paintwork if it touches your paint, okay? So do not get the stuff on your paint, whatever you guys do. Clean this throttle body and stick some rags in it and try and clean up as best as I can. The car's going to run rough. Once all the throttle body cleaner evaporates out of the throttle body, it will run a lot smoother. Well, that's what I got at the air intake. Believe it or not. Or should I say throttle body? Well, I just cleaned it. Stuck a rag inside. Tried to clean it up as best as I could. She's smoking so bad. Yeah, it'll be idling a bit rough for a couple of minutes, and if you have trouble starting it, just put your foot on the gas. Once the fire's straight up, you should be alright. Yeah, she sounds a lot better already. Store all this on the air intake, a K pod filter, a couple of silicone hoses, some radiator clamps, heat resistant tape. We're going to wrap the entire intake, cut this intake right about here, so we could put the silicone pipe right here with a couple of radiator clamps. So when I have to remove this in the future, I don't have to rip the whole front bumper off. Air intake in 2 pieces. Now we're going to use heat resistant wrap. This is like for headers and exhausts, but I couldn't see why I wouldn't use it on an intake to get the most coldest air possible. Well guys, I just completed the air intake system. Doesn't look too bad, I'd say. Done a pretty good job. It's my first wrap. Well, it's all pulled back together, and there's a new pod filter. As I rev the engine, not having any low idle issues. Generally it would fall right down the bottom, like to 400 RPMs instead of 800, so well, I got the wheel back on, and this is my new setup now, guys. I reckon it looks pretty mean compared to how it was before. I don't know, there's something about chrome that makes it look kind of cheap. I don't know what it is. It looks hella wicked. Took me most of the day, but it was well worth the time and effort. Now I'm taking it for a drive.